Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about something that affects many of us but isn't often discussed openly: constipation. It's uncomfortable, inconvenient, and can really disrupt our daily lives. But fear not, because we're going to explore a natural remedy that might just surprise you: exercise. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our health and wellness content. Now let's get moving. Constipation occurs when bowel movements become difficult or less frequent. It can happen for a variety of reasons such as diet, hydration, or even stress. But did you know that lack of physical activity can also contribute to this discomfort? Here's the science behind it. When we exercise, our body's muscle, including those in the abdomen, get moving. This movement helps stimulate the natural contractions of the intestines known as peristalsis, which promotes bowel regularity. Essentially, exercise keeps things flowing smoothly. So what types of exercise can help with constipation? Let's start with some simple yet effective movements you can incorporate into your daily routine. Walking. Taking a brisk walk can help stimulate your digestive system and get things moving. Aim for at least 30 minutes of walking each day. Cycling. Whether it's stationary or outdoor biking, the rhythmic motion of cycling can help massage the intestines and relieve constipation. Yoga. Certain yoga poses, such as cat cow pose or wind relieving pose, can gently massage the abdomen and promote bowel movements. Core exercises. Engaging your core muscles through exercises like planks or pelvic tilts can help strengthen the muscle involved in digestion. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reaping the benefits of exercise for constipation relief. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, and be sure to stay hydrated and maintain a balanced diet rich in fiber. But what if you're already experiencing constipation? Don't worry, exercise can still help. In addition to regular physical activity, try incorporating these lifestyle tips. Always stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to soften stools and make them easier to pass. Eat fiber rich foods. Foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains and legumes can add bulk to your stool and promote regularity. Manage stress. Stress can wreak havoc on your digestive system, so practice stress relieving techniques like deep breathing and meditation. And there you have it. Exercise isn't just beneficial for your physical fitness, but it can also play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system and preventing constipation. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from these tips. And as always, thank you for watching. Stay active, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time.